The classic red sauce.
Can't grab it. Alright, what kind of cheese would you like?
Do a little bit more red sauce in the middle. And then I'm gonna do the shredded mozzarella cheese.
What types of cheese?
Just a little bit more cheese. Probably a lot of cheese, to be honest with you. Just a little bit more in the middle. And then I'll do the Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
And then a little bit more Parmesan. And then I'm gonna do the chicken. And I'll do pineapple. And I'll do a little bit more pineapple. And then I'll do the bacon. And just a little bit more bacon. And then I'm going to do the Italian sausage.
Anything else on this one? Wait.
Just a little bit more sausage in the middle.
Just vegan cheese.
All right, so you guys have been wanting a review of Blaze Pizza after the whole pizza is made. This is the after product. I got a chicken, bacon, pineapple, sausage pizza. It just came out nice and fresh. So I will try it and rate it from 1 to 10. You guys have all been dying for me to do it. The first massive issue where I kind of messed up today is I did not grab any napkins. And this thing is like scalding hot. So I'm gonna try to not burn myself, as this thing literally just came out. As you can see, this thing is literally scalding hot. Cheese is falling. Definitely super hot.